When it comes to home improvements, many Orange Park homeowners tend to postpone window replacement. At first glance, it may seem like a cost-saving choice. However, what often goes unnoticed are the hidden expenses and risks associated with waiting too long. From higher utility bills to costly damage repairs, delaying window replacement can hurt your wallet and your home's comfort in ways you might not expect. Rising energy bills. Old or damaged windows are one of the leading culprits behind energy loss. In Orange Park's humid climate, leaky windows allow cooled air to escape during the summer and let drafts in during the cooler months. As a result, your HVAC system has to work harder, driving up energy consumption. While you may save money in the short term by putting off replacement, the long-term increase in utility bills can add up quickly. Investing in energy-efficient windows now can significantly reduce monthly expenses and make your home more comfortable year-round. Increased maintenance costs. Older windows often require more frequent upkeep. Wooden frames may rot, paint may peel, and seals may deteriorate, all of which demand time, effort, and money to maintain. Instead of continually patching up old windows with temporary fixes, replacing them with modern, low-maintenance options like vinyl or fiberglass saves both money and hassle. These materials are designed to withstand Orange Park's weather conditions, resisting moisture and reducing the need for constant care. Risk of structural damage. Delaying window replacement doesn't just affect the windows themselves, it can impact your entire home. Leaky or poorly sealed windows can allow water to seep in, leading to mold, mildew, and even structural damage to walls and flooring. Over time, the repair costs for these issues can far exceed the price of a new window installation. By acting promptly, you can prevent minor window problems from turning into major home repair projects. Reduced home value and curb appeal. Your home's windows play a significant role in both curb appeal and property value. Outdated, cracked, or foggy windows can make your home look neglected, which can turn off potential buyers if you're considering selling in the future. Modern, energy-efficient windows not only enhance the aesthetic of your Orange Park home but also boost its marketability. Buyers are often willing to pay more for a house with upgraded windows that promise lower utility costs and better comfort. Compromised comfort and security. Drafty or poorly functioning windows can make your home less comfortable by letting in outside noise, humidity, and air leaks. Worse, old locks and weakened frames can compromise your family's safety, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. New windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger materials that give you peace of mind while improving indoor comfort. Final thoughts. Delaying window replacement in Orange Park may feel like an easy way to cut costs in the short term, but the hidden expenses tell a different story. Rising energy bills, frequent maintenance, risk of water damage, reduced property value, and compromised comfort all add up over time. By investing in new windows now, you'll not only improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal but also protect your property from costly long-term damage. In many cases, the benefits of timely window replacement far outweigh the upfront costs, making it one of the smartest home improvement decisions you can make.